have here Dr. Keyur Vora, who is the head of the C&I in the Adani upcoming project, Mundra Petrochem Limited. And it's our pleasure to have you, Mr. Vora, in Forbes Marshall factory. And today, when you are here, we thought to ask you a couple of points for our improvement. So, since now you are heading the entire C&I for Mundra Petrochem project, we are also having a thoughts that how you all have come to a point where you have selected Forbes Marshall Shinkawa as a product for your this large project.
Precisely, I am also very happy to be here, and it's my privilege and pleasure also to be here in your shop floor, where we are going to have FAT of various plants which are going to be key plants for our green PVC project, which is Adani is putting up at Mundra.
Correct.
My association with Forbes Marshall is always good, and definitely it has helped me to encourage to be a partner again when I'm with Adani. So the one is compliance to my specification, compliance to codes and standards, the latest innovative product we would like to, and reliable product I would say, and that is the reason why we chose Shinkawa and Forbes Marshall as one of the critical partner for our project for MCMS at Mundra.
And now, can you share what is your experience so far with us?
See, Mukesh, as I said earlier also when we met in my office, see the point what I wanted to highlight here is that so far engineering has gone through very smoothly. Your team is quite capable of handling this project. There are all engineering documents were well in time, it was approved, and the panels are built. So we have completed one FAT of ozone use.
Correct.
Second, we are going on with the PVC, and remaining two plant we are trying to target before next month of November. So all in all, the team is very good, and I think when I looked at the panel also, it is quite impressive panel, and the overall layout, overall configuration, the quality of wiring, quality of internal components, absolutely to the world class. One more thing is that we are happy we did a trials of a Shinkawa system with other probes, that is other manufacturer probes such as Bentley and Matrix and so on. So I think our team was overall happy with this prototype test, and I think we are looking forward further support of Shinkawa and Forbes Marshall for commissioning of our plant without any issues. And I always bank upon you for
we are
all
always
the supports there. And all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.